In this tutorial, we will write a Java program to remove all white spaces from a string. So we start by taking input from the user. We say enter a string and we store it into a string variable and we'll just read one sentence. So let's name it sentence and I'll say reader dot uh, next line. This will basically read just one line from the user and then we print the screen before uh, before replacement our string is sentence and then we basically create another string which is without spaces and this is equals to sentence which is our string and we call a string function which is called replace all and we replace all the strings with so this basically takes two strings. First string is to find the string that we want to replace with and second string is the string we want to replace with. So we want to space all spaces or any tabs or new line characters. So for that we will use double slash s. So this will basically find all the spaces whether they are tabs or new line or just one or two spaces or anything and we replace it by nothing. We don't give any string because we want to remove the spaces, so we don't pass anything over here. We just pass a blank string. Okay, and then I print this same but I print without spaces and I say after replacement. Okay, let's run it and see if this works out. I'm sorry, I forgot a semicolon over here. I run it again. Program is compiling. Okay, I want to enter a string Python is, and I enter some these many strings and say good programming language. Okay, and I press the enter. So before replacement, our sentence is Python is spaces good, then two three spaces, then programming, then one space, then language. After replacement, all the spaces have been replaced, not replaced, basically removed. So we have replaced them with nothing, so they are basically removed. So finally, we have got a string with no space at all. So that's it. So what basically we have done is we have taken the uh, one line sentence from the user and we have printed it before the replacement and then we have called the string function or method called replace all and we have used double slash backward slash s which will find all the spaces be it any one space two space or three or more and or any tab character or any new line character or anything. This will replace all of these with nothing. We don't pass anything, we just pass empty string, so all these spaces will be replaced with nothing which means they will be removed and then we print the our sentences without spaces. So that's it with this tutorial and I'll see you in next tutorial.